This Consew CES-85AF gravity-feed steam iron set is designed for serious home sewists and small shops who want commercial-style results without installing a boiler. The separate overhead water bottle provides a steady supply of steam for long pressing sessions, so you can work through large piles of garments or yardage without constant refilling. Its hard anodized aluminum soleplate glides smoothly, resists scratching, and delivers even heat, which helps produce crisp seams and professional-looking finishes on a wide range of fabrics. A soft-touch steam button, rotary temperature dial, and comfortable urethane handle make the iron easy to control, even during extended use. The built-in heat shield and dependable thermostat help keep surface temperatures consistent, while adding a layer of safety for long workdays at the ironing board. Because the set includes the iron, water bottle, hose, demineralizer, iron rest, and a nonstick shoe, it arrives ready for a dedicated pressing station right out of the box.